In this demo, we'll show you how to use cloud phones in Multilogin to edit and publish videos with CapCut. Let's get started. First, let's open the dashboard. By default, you will see a workspace containing the browser profile. For this video, we will use cloud phones for CapCut. Multilogin allows you to use real Android devices hosted in the cloud that let you manage mobile platforms without physical phones. To begin, switch to the Cloud Phones section here. Now you're in the Cloud Phones workspace. This is where all your mobile cloud phones and their folders are created, managed, and launched. Let's create your first cloud phone profile. Click Create to begin. First, choose how many cloud phones you need and give them clear names. You can bulk create multiple isolated profiles at once. All cloud phones can use the same settings, but each one is created as a completely unique Android device, so accounts remain fully separated. Next, you can add notes and assign a folder to each cloud phone. Notes are optional but useful for tracking the purpose of each device. Folders help you stay organized as the number of cloud phones in your setup increases. Now let's configure the proxy. A proxy allows you to connect to and log in to accounts from different locations around the world. Select Multilogin as your proxy provider to use built-in proxies. Connect from over 150 locations worldwide, including specific cities and regions. Manage accounts as if you were physically there and reach audiences anywhere with local networks and IPs. Each cloud phone should be used for one account or project. Select a device brand and model from the list of available Android phones. Everything is set. Click Create to save your cloud phone. Your cloud phone is now ready. Click here to launch it. After connecting, you will see an Android home screen. You can click, swipe, open apps, and navigate using your mouse just like on a real phone. On the left, you'll see a sidebar with quick tools. Here you can check the connection, rotate the screen, take screenshots, upload files, and access the camera. More tools are available in the More menu. Just like on a physical Android device, you can install apps directly on the cloud phone. Open the Apps shortcut to access the built-in app marketplace. Search for CapCut in the marketplace to install it, or upload your own APK files if needed. After installation, open CapCut from the cloud phone's home screen. Use the Upload shortcut to transfer video files from your computer directly to the cloud phone. Now you can edit your videos directly in CapCut, trim clips, add subtitles, apply effects, and prepare your content for publishing. You can also create templates in CapCut and monetize them. Once editing is complete, install apps like TikTok or Instagram and upload your video directly from the same cloud phone. There is no need to transfer files between devices. Manage your social media accounts and edit videos in CapCut directly on Multilogin cloud phones. Start your trial today and streamline your entire content workflow from one dashboard.